Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Mark. How are you today?
Hi, I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good, thank you. Today, I want to talk about our families. Do you like to talk about family?
Yes, I like to talk about my family. Family is very important to me.
Mark, how many people are in your immediate family?
There are 4 people in my immediate family. I have a father, a mother, a sister, and me.
That is nice. What is your father's name?
My father's name is David.
And what is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Susan.
Do you have any brothers?
No, I do not have any brothers. I have only one sister.
What is your sister's name?
My sister's name is Emma.
How old is Emma?
Emma is 10 years old.
And how old are you, Mark?
I am 14 years old.
Do you all live in one house?
Yes, I live with my parents and Emma in one house.
That sounds like a happy family. Do you eat dinner together?
Yes, we eat dinner together every evening. It is a very nice time for us.
I also like to eat dinner with my family. It is good to share stories from the day. Mark, do you have grandparents?
Yes, I have 4 grandparents. I have 2 grandfathers and 2 grandmothers.
What are their names?
My father's father is called George, and my father's mother is called Helen. My mother's father is called Robert, and my mother's mother is called Alice.
That is a long list of names. How often do you see your grandparents?
I see my grandparents every Sunday. Sometimes my parents and I visit them.
Do you like to visit them?
Yes, I love to visit my grandparents. They tell me stories and give me hugs.
I love my grandparents too. They are very kind and funny.
Yes, my grandparents are very kind. They also give me small gifts on my birthday.
That is very sweet. Mark, do you have aunts and uncles?
Yes, I have one aunt and one uncle. My aunt's name is Lisa, and my uncle's name is Tom.
Do you have any cousins?
Yes, I have one cousin. His name is Sam.
How old is Sam?
Sam is 12 years old.
Do you visit your aunt and uncle with Sam?
Yes, we visit them on holidays. We play games and sometimes go to the park.
I like to play with my cousins too. Family gatherings are always fun.
Yes, family gatherings are very fun. We talk, laugh, and eat together.
Mark, what do you do on your birthday with your family?
On my birthday, my family has a small party at home. We have a birthday cake, and everyone sings a song.
That is fun. Do you get a gift on your birthday?
Yes, I get a small gift and a big hug from my parents and my sister.
I always get a gift and a card from my family on my birthday.
What other family celebrations do you have?
We celebrate Christmas and New Year with a big family dinner. We also celebrate my parents' wedding anniversary with a party.
I like family celebrations. We also have a family day every month. We visit a park and have a picnic.
Picnics are very nice. I also love when my family goes on a trip during the holidays.
Yes, trips are fun. We sometimes visit the countryside or go to the beach.
I want to visit the beach with my family. I love the sound of the waves and the warm sand. Mark, tell me about your family meals. Who cooks at your home?
My mother cooks most of the time. She makes rice, vegetables, and sometimes chicken.
That sounds delicious. Do you help in the kitchen?
Yes, sometimes I help to set the table or wash the dishes. My sister also helps.
I help my mother in the kitchen too. We make simple meals like soup and salad.
My family eats together every night. We talk about our day and share our feelings.
I like that. It is important to talk and laugh with your family during dinner.
Yes, dinner is a special time for us.
Mark, what activities do you do with your family?
We do many activities. On weekends, we often play board games and watch a family movie.
That sounds fun. What games do you play?
We play simple games like cards, dominoes, and sometimes chess.
I like to play cards with my family too. Do you go outside with your family?
Yes, we often go for walks in the park. Sometimes we ride bicycles together.
I love to ride bicycles with my family. It is a good way to exercise and have fun.
Yes, I agree. We also like to visit the zoo and the museum on weekends.
That is very interesting. My family sometimes goes to the zoo and sees the animals. It makes me happy. Mark, what do you like best about your family?
I like that my family loves me very much. They support me in my schoolwork and play with me.
That is very important. I like that my family is always there for me, when I am sad or happy.
Yes, family support makes me strong. My parents help me with my homework and listen to my stories.
I also talk with my parents about my school day. They always ask, "How was your day?" and listen carefully.
I feel very happy when my family listens to me. Their love is the best gift.
I agree. I always say, "I love you" to my family, and they say it back.
Saying I love you is simple, but very important.
Mark, does your family ever have problems?
Yes, sometimes we have small arguments. We might disagree on small things.
That happens in every family. What do you do when you have an argument?
We talk about our problems. We say, let us talk, and then we forgive each other.
That is a good way to solve problems. I also talk with my family when we are upset.
Yes, talking makes us understand each other better.
I feel happy when we make up after a fight. Family love always wins.
I agree. Even if we argue, we love each other very much.
Mark, what do you want for your family in the future?
I want my family to be happy and healthy. I want us to travel and see new places.
That is a good wish. I also want to travel with my family. I want to visit many cities and the countryside.
I want to learn new words and grow in my studies so I can help my family in the future.
I want to do the same. I think when we grow up, our families will help us reach our dreams.
Yes, family is our treasure. I always feel safe with my family.
I feel the same. I promise to care for my family and always support them.
That is a very kind promise. We are lucky to have families that love us.
Mark, can you tell me a special memory with your family?
Yes, I remember one day when we had a big picnic in the park. My parents, my sister, and I sat under a big tree. We ate sandwiches, fruit, and cake. We played games and laughed a lot.
That sounds like a very happy day. I remember a day when my family went to the beach. We built sandcastles and swam in the sea. I still smile when I think of that day.
Family memories are very special. They make me feel warm inside.
I agree. I keep photos of my family in my room. They remind me of happy times.
I also have many photos of family celebrations. I like to look at them and remember our fun days.
Mark, what are some things your family members do at home?
My father works outside, and my mother cooks at home. My sister helps clean her room, and sometimes helps with the table.
That is good. In my family, my father fixes things and my mother takes care of the cooking. I help set the table and sometimes water the plants.
We all have small jobs in the family. This helps us work together and feel responsible.
Yes, working together is important. It makes our family strong. Mark, how does your family talk every day?
Every morning, my mother says, "Good morning," and my father says, "Have a good day." We talk about our plans for the day at dinner.
I also talk with my family every morning and every night. We ask, "How was your day?" and share our feelings.
That makes our family closer. I feel happy when we talk and listen to each other.
I believe that talking every day is a key part of family love. Mark, do your parents give you advice?
Yes, my parents give me advice about school and life. They say, "Do your best and always be kind."
That is very good. My parents tell me to work hard and be honest.
I learn a lot from my family. My sister also gives me advice when I feel sad.
I learn from my older brother and my parents too. Family advice helps me grow.
Yes, we learn many simple lessons from our family. They help us become better people.
Mark, I have asked many questions about your family. I learned a lot today.
I enjoyed talking about my family. I like sharing my life with you.
I feel happy when I talk about my family. It makes me think of all the love and support I have.
Family is very important. It makes us strong and helps us grow.
I hope we can talk about family again soon and learn new words together.
Yes, I would like that very much. We can share more stories and memories.
Thank you, Mark, for telling me about your family. I enjoyed our conversation very much.
Thank you. I am glad we talked about our families.
I must go now, but I will remember our talk about family. I feel closer to you and my own family when I speak about these things.
I feel the same. I enjoyed our long talk about family. It made my heart happy.
I will see you tomorrow at school. Maybe we can talk about our family traditions next time.
That is a good idea. I look forward to it. Have a nice day with your family.
Thank you, Mark. Have a great day, and say I love you to your family for me.
I will. Goodbye and see you tomorrow.
Goodbye, Mark.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.